Okay, sige nagka-break. Kaya lang kapag naituloy na yung hearing dapat tuloy-tuloy na ito. Dapat walang mga recess na yun. Kasi the flood control scandal is a very serious issue and it has taken so many lives. It warrants it warrants immediate resolution. Kaya lang syempre with our justice system, kailangan talaga mareforma talaga yung DOJ. Mareforma yung mga paraan how to investigate these flood control scams and we should also employ technology in order to fast track yung investigation. Okay, nagkulang ang ating pangulo, sige, to be realistic. But mas mabuti na rin ang may ginagawa at nagkaroon ng konting pagkakamali kaysa na
Pero I think that's the problem. This is just me probably observing what's going on the ground, what has been said last year. I think yun yung parang pumapalya ang Pangulo pagdating sa messaging sa publiko. Kasi para sa akin, mahirap kasi sa ngayon after the overpromised na ginawa last year na hindi naman natupad, ngayon parang kita natin that yung taong bayan, they're asking the government or even President Marcos na kailangan meron ng mapakulong. Unless merong mapakulong, all of the narratives ng mga pro-government or loyalista doesn't make any sense because everything stem out from the time na nag-overpromise ang president at ang ombudsman. And for me, I take it like as an opportunity that dapat kahit sinong government official, even the president himself, they should not put a time limit on something that they cannot deliver. I don't know if I'm right. What do you think about that?
sa akin, Billy, if it's a process, it should take time. It's better for a
Correct.
process to take much time and eventually see the fruits of one's labor than to set a
Instead of
timeline, which is not
overpromising.
realistic.
Correct. And I think it's more of it's more of like us taking off our political hat and looking, in a broader perspective na sana hindi na lang sinabi para yung mga tao hindi atat na matapos tong flood control project.
Yeah.
Kasi we all know that there is a long process on gathering
Yeah.
evidence, talking to people, and
Eh,
reaching
totoo.
out to whoever needs to be, interviewed. And I
Oo naman.
guess that's one of the things na opportunity for the president. Kasi ako personally, yes, nagpangulo doon, pero I still believe that there is an opportunity for him to fix it.
Yeah.
Moving forward sa ating pinag-uusapan, we
Naniniwala pa
go
rin ako kay
further to
PBBM
the
na kanyang itutuloy ito. Come hell or high water
yes, yes,
ng
yes,
investigation.
and also moving forward, usapan natin
Okay?
about ICC arrest warrant. What do you feel about pag dumating na yung arrest warrant, so-called arrest warrant ni Bato at saka ni Bongo? How do you feel the game or the playbook of the minority sa Senate at saka sa